How to set up way to access your chat history. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already logged out of your Messenger account. Likewise, you are using the latest version of your Messenger app. Now launch your Messenger. You will land to this kind of page. Now type in the credentials of the Messenger account for which you want to set up the way to access your chat history. After you type in, click on Login. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now you will be prompted to set up PIN for your account. Now from here you can easily set up way to access your chat history. Type in 6-digit code and then click on Done. And with that you will be logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now whenever you are logged out of your Messenger account and you try to log in, you will need to type in this 6-digit code in order to log into your account. Well, this is how you can easily set up way to access your chat history. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.